Swapping the radio on your X4 is easy to do. Set the X4 upside down and open the front hatch by catching your fingernail on the back, and it just pops right out. Inside you will see the flight control board and the receiver. This is what you will be swapping out. Don't worry about what is plugged in where, just unplug the receiver and set it aside. Bring in your own receiver. I'm using a Lemon RX receiver. I've had good luck with them. They are nice and small and easy to use. The key here is everything is labeled for you. If you look here on the board, Aileron, Throttle, Elevator, Rudder, and Gear. You just plug everything into the corresponding label on your receiver. Because the flight board takes care of all the mixing in flight, any 5-channel or greater transmitter will work. Just use the baseline aircraft setting. You don't even need a computer radio, but it does make up fine-tuning the controls easier. For example, I use the endpoint adjustments on my tilt channel to trim the elevator for both flight modes. The last one is labeled Gear, and it controls the tilt. You can plug it into the gear channel, or if you want, you can plug it into the flap channel and use a 3-position switch. This is how mine is set up. It is entirely up to you. Because I am using the flap switch to control tilt, I'm plugging the gear wire into the auxiliary channel on my receiver. That's it for basic setup. Now you flip it over and check your throws. The first time you start it up with the new system, you should remove the props for safety. Once it arms, switch it to aircraft mode. This makes it easier to see what is happening. We have up, down, left, right. Throttle works. To check the rudder, the flight board actually mixes in differential throttle in forward flight. Put a hand on it and advance the throttle a bit and check the rudder. You can see it wiggles a bit the right way. As I mentioned earlier, I have my tilt set up on the flap switch. In the mid position, it holds the motors at about a 45-degree angle. You can fly it like this. It does use the quad controls in this setting, so you will be flying it like a fast quad. My flap down position is full vertical, and flap up is the aircraft mode. That's all it takes to swap the radio in your X4. All that's left is fine-tuning the throws to suit your own tastes. Thanks for watching.